Hey everyone, and a huge warm welcome back to Learn English with Smart podcast. I'm Chloe.
And I'm James. We're so glad you're joining us today for a topic that is, well, let's say it's a little bit naughty, but very, very necessary.
Absolutely necessary. Today we're diving into the shadows. We're exploring the words your teacher probably skipped over in class.
That's right, we're talking about the dark side of English, curses, insults, and when not to use them. Now, Chloe, why on earth are we teaching this?
Great question, James. First reason, so you understand them when you hear them in movies, songs, or on the street. Knowledge is power.
And second reason, maybe even more important, so you avoid saying them accidentally and getting into a lot of trouble. We're here to keep you safe, people.
Exactly. So consider this your official guide to English's forbidden lexicon. Let's start with a scale. Not all bad words are created equal. We can think of them on a spectrum, from mild to medium to nuclear.
A spectrum. I love that. Let's start with the mild end. These are the words you might even hear on daytime TV. Words like damn, damn it, hell, or crap.
Perfect examples. Crap is a very common, mild word for something that is bad quality or for a mistake. Ugh, crap, I left the lights on in the car. It's casual, a little bit informal, but not terribly offensive.
And hell is often used in expressions. What the hell is that? Or this is hell on earth. Again, it adds emphasis, but it's on the milder side for most people. But remember Chloe's point about context?
Always. If you're in a very formal business meeting or talking to your friend's very strict grandmother, even crap might be a bit too much. It's all about reading the room.
Reading the room, key skill. Okay, let's level up to medium strength. This is where we find the famous word shit and the even more famous fuck. Now, these are serious. You will not hear these on regular TV.
Let's take shit first. It's a noun, literally meaning animal waste, but it's used to talk about anything that's bad, nonsense, or of low quality. This movie is shit. Or as an exclamation, holy shit, did you see that?
Right, and then we have fuck. This is perhaps the most versatile word in the English language. It can be a verb, a noun, an adjective, an adverb. It's incredible, really.
It really is. Let's break it down. As a verb, showing anger or mistake. I fucked up. I failed the exam.
As an adjective, for extreme emphasis, that was a fucking brilliant concert. It intensifies the feeling good or bad.
And as a noun, I don't give a fuck, meaning I don't care at all.
But here's the crucial part, everyone. The volume and context. Whispering, oh fudge, when you drop something is very different from yelling fuck across a quiet office. That's a one-way ticket to an awkward conversation with your boss.
Massively different. So generally, rule number 1, avoid shit and fuck at work, with children, and with people you don't know well.
Now, let's move to insults. These are incredibly common in casual banter among friends, but can be very hurtful if used seriously. Words like idiot, moron, or stupid.
A more modern, very popular one is you're such a noob. It comes from newbie, meaning a beginner, often in online games.
And my personal favorite, which sounds almost cute but isn't, you donut. It means someone is being silly or empty-headed. You absolute donut, you locked the keys in the car.
Now for something stronger. What about a word like jerk or asshole?
Jerk is common for someone rude. If someone cuts in front of you in a queue, you might mutter, what a jerk.
Asshole is much, much stronger. This is a serious insult for someone you deeply dislike, someone who is truly horrible. This is a fight-starting word. Do not call someone this unless you are ready for big, big trouble.
We cannot stress that enough. Okay, now for the nuclear option, the truly offensive taboo words, like the cunt. This is one of the most offensive words in English, particularly when directed at a woman. Its use is incredibly derogatory and shocking.
And the most important, most dangerous one on that list is the nigger. This is the most offensive and loaded word in the entire English language. It has a horrific historical context rooted in slavery and racism.
Under no circumstances should you, as a language learner, ever use this word. Even hearing it in music or movies doesn't make it okay to repeat. It is absolutely 100% forbidden. Its use is unacceptable and will cause immense offense, and it's considered hate speech.
Thank you for saying that, James. It cannot be stressed enough. This is the number one rule of the dark side. Never, ever use that word.
So we've heard the bad. What are the good alternatives? This so-called minced oaths.
Yes, these are the polite, friendly versions. My goal too is shoot instead of shit. Oh, shoot, I did it again.
I'm a big fan of darn it or dang it instead of damn it. They sound almost funny.
Fudge instead of fuck. What the fudge is going on here? See? It's harmless.
And my personal favorite when something goes really wrong is, biscuits or son of a gun.
Oh, biscuits. I love that. So, to recap, everyone, the dark side of English is vast.
But remember our golden rules. Understand? Yes. Use with extreme caution.
Context is everything. What's okay with friends is not okay at work.
When in doubt, use the silly, funny alternatives. No one ever got fired for saying, biscuits.
And finally, and most importantly, some words are absolutely off limits. Forever.
That's it. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for being brave and curious learners.
If you enjoyed this, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite funny, safe alternative to a curse word? We'd love to know.
Take care, stay safe, and choose your words wisely. See you next time.
Bye for now.